So basically, this is the editor series. I welcome you all to this 3 weeks editor series. We are starting off with the OBS Studio, and gradually towards the next week, we'll take video editing as well and photo editing as well. We'll learn Adobe Photoshop in the coming weeks and Wondershare filmora. That is meant for video editing. And for today, we have how you're gonna do live stream on YouTube and how you're gonna use OBS Studio and basically a bit of video editing in OBS Studio as well. So yeah, telling about basically like what is OBS Studio. So this is actually an open source broadcasting software that helps you connect your streaming with the YouTube live stream. We'll go through all the elements in sequential, how you connect it, then how you connect your stream key. There's a thing I'll let you know later. Then how do you enable your account and stuff. So before that, I'll share the OBS Studio, the link from where you can download this OBS Studio. And basically this, we have two parts. One is the basic OBS Studio and another one is the advanced OBS Studio. So for now, we'll just take up on the basic ones. And if you guys want, we'll take up on the advanced as well. So I'm sharing this link on the chat. You guys can hover through it and download it later on after the meets. Because basically, depending upon your Windows, either it's Linux or it's iOS or Apple or a Windows device, you have all the three options. You can check there. Okay, so let's start off with how we go live on YouTube. If my screen is visible to you guys, can you give a thumbs up? Cool. All right, guys. So basically, every one of you must be having a channel. And just because I can't see the chat, so I want, if you have any doubts, just stop me and ask there, because I can't see the charts, what you will type on. Slowly, I'll take on stuff. You can interrupt me in between, no problem. So basically, we have, everyone's have a channel on YouTube, right? So we go here, the option of clicking on this go live. Actually, here I already have enabled the live streaming on my channel. So what you have to do is, once you click on this icon, you have to send a request to the YouTube for giving you permission to do live stream. So it takes around 24 hours in order to go live stream. You can go there, check your channel and click on it. We'll have a demo as well. I'll even tell you how we're going to do live stream. And so yeah, basically once you click on it, you have this particular interface here of live streaming. On the right hand side, you can see channel, the charts, the live chart that goes on here. But just before that, I want to ask you guys one thing. Like, have any one of you done it before? The live streaming on YouTube?
No.
Not really. Okay. And any idea how do we like use OBS?
No.
No idea. You can call
No.
up your friends if you want. It will be handy, and I know they'll miss it because it's gonna be cool. All right, so let's start off this, and exactly like this, you can interrupt me in between if you have any doubts. So we clicked on go live. We have this particular interface of YouTube, and we have some options here. All right, this is a stream key. So every stream that you see on YouTube has a separate stream key. So basically, every time you go live, or every time you go live from a different channel, you have to connect this particular stream key with the OBS Studio. That is software I'll be telling you guys soon. So I have this. Wait. Okay, hold on. So yeah, This is particular OBS Studio. Once you click on it, you have this interface thingy here. All right. Uh, so the first step is connecting this stream with the OBS Studio. For that, what you got to do is you have the stream here. All right. You click on copy. This is the basic interface of the OBS Studio. Like I've like not done anything prior to that, or like you can see it. So this is the interface. You go on the settings. All right. You have certain options here: general, stream, output, audio, video hotkeys, and advanced options. We won't be taking all the options here, guys, but just the basic ones what we need for the stream. So you go on the stream. There's a profit of this OBS Studio. Like if someone asks me like why should I be using OBS Studio and not just the basic YouTube for streaming? So this gives you more functionalities, and what are those functionalities? We'll see it towards the few coming minutes of the meet. So we have various services here already. You can see there's this YouTube, this is Twitch, YouTube RTMP, this is RTMPS beta. This is for the testing version. We don't do it here. Twitter streaming, all the various streaming sections. So already I've selected the YouTube. You can see an option of stream key here. So what you do is we won't be using my channel for streaming, but the official in Art Club channel. So here it is. So we'll copy this key. This is the same thing I've done in my club channel. I've just opened it, clicked on go live, and we have this particular interface here. So no, wait. I'll click on this copy stream key. I go here, I paste it, and I click on apply. And here it is. The first step done towards connecting your OBS software with the YouTube. I'll share a link as well with you guys in the chat, so that when we stream from this meets, we'll stream from this meets, you can go to the INKHEART channel and you can watch there as well. It's going to be interesting. So we have connected this OBS Studio with the streaming software. Now let's just look at the interface of the OBS Studio. Am I going a bit too fast? Do you want my speed a bit slow down, or it's fine? Just let me know. You have to tell me. It's fine, yeah?
Fine. I think you can zoom in the screen because options might not be visible that much. You know.
Options. We can't zoom in actually in this. If it was Chrome, I can. Okay, hold on. I have a solution for this. What we can do is we can take a screen clip of it and then we can zoom in.
You can try scrolling with your mouse and onto control. That might be possible. Zoom in.
No. This like all the interfaces are disabled in this OBS Studio. This is fine. I'll zoom in here. You can see, right? Everything.
Yeah, better.
Cool. So, wait. I don't know, guys, how to operate it. So please don't mind that. This paint snip and sketch. Okay. So yeah, we have this interface here of OBS. This is the first section. That is the scenes. In basically, suppose I'm streaming this workshop right now. So I'll create a scene from here. I'll click on this. I'll give a name to my scene, be it workshop on OBS. I'll create a scene here. Okay. So basically, right now you can see all the sources that are here are just empty. See, in this one, you can see there are many sources in here, like webcam, image, web images, and etc. etc. But initially, when you create a new scene, you won't have any sources. And what are the sources now? When you want to stream it, either you want to play some music on the stream, or either you want to have some image on the stream, either you want to have a video playing on the stream, or you want to have your webcam on the stream. So these are the various options that are available. So basically what we do is, in a particular chronological order, we add all the sources. Just like example, I click on this add button, I'll click on image. So I'll add an image here. Let's name it me. Okay, so I clicked on OK. I'll go on the browse. I'll select an image from here, be it the Inkheart logo. Okay, so we have this logo in here. Now, basically, whatever is visible in this black screen, right? Whatever is visible in this black screen will be displayed on the YouTube. So if you want to have like what's going on the YouTube, so you don't have to worry about that. Whatever is inside this black screen, you can see. Like I'm hovering my mouse over it. Whatever is inside the screen will be visible on YouTube. You can increase and decrease the size according to your wish. And all right, so this is it about this. Then we have media sources as well. You click on media sources, name it video song, click on OK, go to browse, select a video. Let's have this video. And there's an option of looping the video. Like there's one thing in OBS, that if you play any video in the OBS software, you can't hear it like right here. See, this is the video I'm adding right now. All right, I clicked on add and clicked on new video. I'll add it here. Now, if I play the video, see this video is playing. This video is playing. Now the thing is, even you guys can't hear the sound of it, nor do I can't hear the sound of it. Like, can you guys hear the sound of it? I'll play it. Like, can you guys like yes or no?
No.
Nope.
No, right?
No.
So yeah, this is the thing in OBS. If the video is playing, you can't hear the sound here, but you can hear the sound in the streaming only. So this is a drawback of OBS, you can say. And a tip to be noted that whenever you are streaming on YouTube, there's this audio mixer right here. All right, you have this option called desktop audio. You have this mic and aux audio. Right now you can see both are disabled. See, I'll enable it. So whatever audio is playing in my laptop will go on to the YouTube. And if I switch on the mic as well, now the voice is gonna echo. As you can see, is it echoing? Like guys.
Right now it's not.
Okay.
Do you want us to go to YouTube and check?
No. We haven't started streaming yet. It's on the right side. It like starts. We'll start streaming, then I'll give you a glimpse of it, how the voice echoes. Basically, to in the whole YouTube session, you wanna put your mic on the mute, like mic on mute from here. Then, if I play this video song, an option pops up of video sound as well. So at that time, you have to keep your desktop audio enabled as well and the video audio enabled as well. Like basically, whatever the sound is on the video will go on to the YouTube. Then, are you guys with me up till here, right? Like,
Yeah.
yeah. Apart from this guy, like unable to hear other voices. Are you guys fine? And just tell yes or no. Where you guys with me? You with me? Where is the live streaming thingy?
Yes, we are following you.
Okay, please.
Yes, it's audible.
Yeah. So, all right. So basically, okay. Now this is in the sources. We can have a sequence in which sequence you want the order of of order of the events that you are playing on YouTube. Like now, this is the scene I've created. I'll tell you a default scene that I have built. So I'll disable my camera from the meets. I have to. Then I'll enable it here. Uh, so yeah, just bear with me. Now I created one scene. I've added certain sources. This is image. This is another image. This is also image. And these are some texts. I've added my name here. This I option is basically to hide the source or unhide the source. Like if you want to show it on your stream, you can unhide it. And if you don't want to show it, you can just simply hide it. You don't have to delete it. There's an option. So now what we'll do is, you must have seen many streamers just bringing and their face like this in between. So that's what we want to do the same. You click on add. You have various other options. You can add a video source, you can add text, you can add media, and you can add video capture device. That is the webcam, and that we're going to do here. I click on video capture device. I'll name it my face. I'll click on OK, and here we go. We have my face popping up in the Luton. Like this is the way how the streamers stream and bring in their face inside this small box. I'm adjusting my size with the help of shift. Okay, it really looks bad. Okay, let me increase the size. Yeah, so cool. You can adjust the sides accordingly. You can just do it like this, do it like that, or whatever you wish. And here we are. Now this is the interface and how the streamers do it. Basically what I've done is, in the background there's nothing much but an image or simply a borders around my cam, and this image I've added from here. See, I'm hiding it, and then I'm unhiding it. It's nothing much. And what can I do is, even yeah, if I bring this webcam image, I'll show you with some different. Yeah, so here it is. Now you can see a cat in the background and whatever. Now basically this background you can see is below the video option and is below this speaker series test and this option. So this is the order what you want in the front. If I place this background in the front, everything will get hidden. See, like this. Wait, so here it is. You can see I bought background on top, then whatever it is, it's just below that background. So that's what, like, the order is important for this. So I'll just bring it down up till here. And okay, yeah, so we have one option. I'll tell you. This is, you can see NS nested scene here. So this is the particular thing. Like what I've done is, in this nested scene, I've added my face and I've added that borders around it. But if I switch on to workshop, how is it possible that this webcam is coming here as well? So what I've done is, I've right clicked on it, go to add, then you can add a scene here. You can see an option like scene. So you can click on that scene and you're getting certain options here, like nested scene, live event, speaker series, workshop on OBS and stuff. I'll do it right here. I'll delete the speaker series. Oh wait, I did something wrong. Okay, right. Yeah, I'll delete this nested scene as well. Okay, so I'll go to add and I'll go to scene. Then I'll click on nested scene. Then it pops up here. Basically, it extracted all the elements that were.
Laksh, I think you're not audible.
Hello.
Is it with only with me?
Can you guys spam the
You
chat?
are audible.
I'm audible.
You're audible actually.
No, okay. Please. Yeah, so Vishwa just set it out from your side. Maybe some issue there. Okay. So yeah. So I've added this. So basically what happened is, when I added a scene, it extracted all the elements from that particular scene in this scene. Now you can see the logos that were there, it just get invisible. They aren't anymore here. So we can add them as well. And how I'm going to do this is, there's this speaker series test. You can see all the logos in here, and the name of the scene is speaker series. So what I'll do is, I'll go on to the workshop. I'll right click on it. I'll click on add. Then I'll click on scene, and I'll select the speaker series test. And here we are. It's on the topmost, and we have all the logos coming up here. So it extracted all the elements from that particular scene to this scene. Then one more thing, I'll add this background and I'll play this music video. Don't mind the placement of this webcam. It's just really bad, but so yeah. And this music is playing in the background, but again, we can't hear any of it because this music can be heard on the live stream. So we'll do it. We'll do it soon. Then this was like a basic of how the OBS works. Now, just one more thing, then we'll have a 2 minutes Q&A. There's an option of filters here. Filters. You guys can see filters, right? Hold on. There's an option of this filters. All right. Hey, wait. Here's my pen. Oh, yeah. So these filters are applied on these sources, on these individual sources. Like you want to apply some filter on webcam, you can, or on some image, you can. Now, basically, what are these filters now? So let's select my background, like my webcam. Oh, this video is playing. I'll hide it. So let's select my face. So I want some filters to be applied on my face. I'll go on to filters. Then we have options of adding audio video filters and effect filters. These audio video filters are a bit of advanced. We'll take it sooner or later in the next workshop. Let's just look at basic ones. We have chroma key here. Let's name it IET. Okay, so yeah, what is filters now? Is this green thing visible to you? Can someone acknowledge yes or no? The green word that is written here. All right. So you must have seen streamers. They're just the face cut is visible and not any background. Like the background will be like matching with the background of the video. So what they do is we have 4 major colors here: green, blue, magenta, and any custom color. So what they'll do is they'll click on green and they'll have a green blanket or a background in front of them, like a big parda, you know, in front and behind them. Sorry, not in front of them, behind them. So this chroma key detects that green color and just wipes it away, so that apart from green color, whatever it is visible will be shown to you. Like right now, if my background would have been green, just this white background would have been visible, and not even that green background would have been visible, but just my face and body. And why, if you guys ask me why it's just with green and not with any other color, it's possible with all the colors. See, now the background is whitish skin color or something like that, but it's not uniform. Like there's some dark patches on this side and some light patches on this side. So it's going to be difficult for the PC and the webcam to detect a uniform color throughout. So I said a blanket and green in color. So what it does is the color is going to be uniform and it will detect that green color and just wipe it off from the webcam so that only you will be visible. I'll try it out with this skin color, but see, it's going to be some issues because this color is not uniform in the background. So I'll just select some custom color. Let it be skinish. Like this is the color of my background somehow. I click on OK and see, I'm invisible. I'll have to like see now how it's saying. Basically, what it's doing is it's detecting my skin color as well and just making me disappear as well. You guys got what I was trying to tell you with this? Can someone acknowledge?
Yes.
Yes, please. So yeah, see, as you can see, even this my t-shirt color was yellowish kind of, so it was detecting a skin color, only light color. So and here I'm visible, like it completely vanished the background color, like yeah. So a glitch occurred, and here it is green. Now there's nothing green here, so it's not vanishing anything. But that skin was something, a few elements of my skin even in the background, so it was vanishing. So if you want, you just face, keep a green blanket or parda, whatever. It can be blue, it can be magenta as well. And click on, once you select green, click on OK. You will be visible and not that background. So this is what streamers do. Oh, all right. So yeah, Uh, if you guys didn't got anything until now, like, open to ask me. Or if you have any other doubts, anyone. And what I was saying, are you guys finding it interesting enough, or like, tell me, is it interesting enough, or it's just boring?
Can you share the YouTube link?
What? Can you? Pardon. YouTube live link. Okay, we haven't started streaming yet. We will when once we start, I'll share the link. We haven't started streaming yet. All right, guys, like quickly give me a thumbs up if you are just with me until now. That's gonna motivate me to continue with more enthusiasm. Cool. Now let's switch to a more interesting thing. All right, so we'll go live on YouTube now. See, yeah, there's this studio mode. I would have told you guys how this works, but we'll keep it short and sweet. We'll take it in the coming weeks. This is also really a cool thing, but it's a bit complex as of now. Uh, I want to even tell you how you can cheat in the interviews. Like basically the proctoring thing, there's a hack to it. I'll tell you how. You can see this virtual cam, start virtual camera. This is gonna help us to do that. So yeah, even you can record your session by clicking on this start recording thing. We'll start just simply. Let's see how it goes. We have started the recording, and the recording is started. Then you can see the frames per second of your stream right here towards the right. It's not like it's just constant 30 fps. Looks good. And you can see this live thing here on the bottom, like bottom right. We haven't started streaming yet. That's where it's just gray. Once we start streaming, it's gonna be green. So all right, so now let's go to the stream now. So I had connected this, what is this? Yeah, my stream with the OBS Studio. I'll have to disable now the basic, like once you're streaming, what are the basic things you have to take care of? One thing, you have to keep your mic off. And how you're going to do that? From here, this mic option, this red in color, this is space. This is actually good. It should be off only. Another thing, you have to keep your laptop speakers off. There's a difference between this desktop audio and the speakers in a laptop. The speakers in a laptop is this right. This you have to completely like turn it off. Else, what will happen is once you start streaming, the audio from the computer will go onto the stream, and the audio from your speakers will as well go to the stream. Like this is the thing when I was streaming for the speaker series, as you know, this was the thing got messed up in between, like when we were having test runs. So I took note of that very well. You have to keep your speakers disabled as well, your mic disabled as well. If you want to look to the stream, you can look from here. Right, you see this small box here. Whatever you stream, the stream will be visible on this small box. You can look your stream in this, and you can have your mobile phone open right in front of you. You can check your stream here as well. So there's one thing again we need to take care of is in the advanced, there's one version of OBS called as Advanced Streamlabs OBS. If you guys interested, we'll take the session in that as well. So in that, you don't have to like keep your disable your speakers on the laptop and stuff. It gives you a hell lot of functionalities. Like you can have your live chat option here. You see on this left blank just silver screen, in that advanced Streamlabs OBS, you can see the YouTube live chat as well, just right here. Like right now, you have to direct yourself to the YouTube Chrome window in order to see the live chat what's going. But in the advanced version of OBS, you can just watch it right here on the left side. So okay, we have started the recording and we have connected our OBS with the streaming software. Now all I have to do is I'll mute my speakers from here, guys, and I'll share the link on Gmail. You can just watch me. I won't like you can even hear me, but you can hear me on the YouTube as well and on the Meets as well. You have to like turn the audio off for one of them, so else it will echo for you. So I'll click on simply start streaming. Before that, I'll mute my speakers because it's gonna echo them. Wait, so I'll just toggle mute. Okay. Uh, I hope my voice must be clear. Yeah. So I don't mute this desktop audio, else whatever is playing in the background, it won't be, you can't hear on the YouTube. You have to keep this desktop audio enabled. Just mute your mic if you don't want to say anything. If you want to say anything, then disable your mic as well. You can say it, then again enable your mic, say it, and then disable it. So we'll click on start streaming. It's connecting and it is live now. Now you can see the live option on the bottom right. Now let's look on this. Soon the streaming started, and here we are. Wait. So yeah, cool. You can see me on the left. There's a bit delay in the stream, around like 5 seconds. I'll tell you how to like rectify it properly. So this is stream. Now I'll share the link with you guys. You can just watch it, or you just go on to the INKHEART channel. Abha, can you please spam the INKHEART channel link on the Gmeets chart? So now just go to YouTube, go to IET-INKHEART, and then just watch the stream. And if it's not visible, just let me know.
Can you share the link for
Can you
the
turn the live chat on? Okay, okay, sure. Let me turn on live chat. Okay, I'll enable this. Okay, wait, I have to I'll end stream again and then I'll start streaming again, enabling the live chat. Okay, wait. Oops, what was this? Hold on to me. Great, I'll have to switch it. I have to go to INKHEART channel, switch account, and INKHEART. I'll tell you what this interface is later. Let's just go live now and have the live chat as well. I'll have to disable the stream from here once. Wait, I'll disable the stop streaming thing. I'll again go to, I'll enable live chat. Hold on. Click on edit, live chat. Why is it, wait. Live chat disabled. Oh. Okay, wait, there's some glitch in here. Enable live chat to replay. Save. Okay, so yeah, the changes are same. Slow mode is on. Again, we'll just go to our OBS studio and we'll start streaming. It will connect soon, I guess. Connect. Yeah. I want you guys to go on the channel, watch the video, even drop a subscribe and like to the channel, and just type in something in the live chat. You can see yourself. Yeah. Even we can have a workshop. Wait, like nested scene. I'll add. Where's the background? Wait, just give me. Hold on with me. Yeah. Okay. Can you guys type in something in the live chat so that I think is the sound visible to you guys? Like, can you hear it? Music playing in the background. I actually have I had disabled this music. Yes. I'll just type and just agree with me. So what I've done is I've just enabled this video from here. That's why earlier it wasn't. Cool. Then see, as you can guys see, whatever is present here is just like whatever is visible on the stream is just inside this red box, something like that. Yeah, it's just visible in the red box. I'll stop the sound. We have a sweet cat here. Okay. So yeah. Now as you can see, the right live chat option is available on my right side. These are some of the properties of the live streaming. Right, it's excellent right now. Then I have a few more options here, like until live chat one, unless live replay one stream, and this option is basically if you don't want your live stream to be on YouTube and just to be private with you, so that you can select this thing unlist, so it won't be visible to the public, and that's pretty much it about it. So once we are done, you have to click on end stream, and YouTube will give you option to edit this stream on in the studio. Now basically we'll get onto this. I'll just simply click on dismiss right now. Okay, then here we are. I'll just wait. I have to click on stop streaming, and I click on stop recording as well. Okay, so I think yeah, has it closed? It's a streaming closed. Like, can someone acknowledge in a meets? Hello. Yeah, it stopped. Peace. So yeah, that was about the stream. Wait, I'll disable my camera from OBS. Okay, let it be this only. Wait, I'll have to disable my camera from here in order to enable it on the Google Meets. I'll disable it. Just my face and remove. Yeah. So yeah, like, have you guys any doubt regarding this or any other functions that you guys didn't get? Or if you got, just tell me yes, you got your thumbs up on the chart. Cool, 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 cool. Oh, so yeah, now moving on to, yeah, so this was just a bit of streaming. Now again, when I close the live stream, you saw an option of edit in studio. So YouTube like doesn't provide much functionalities. You can simply trim your videos here and there. And now what I was talking about is the advanced OBS studio. Now what are the functionalities that you get in it? You can edit your video, you can put animations, you can put transitions as well. If someone takes it. Okay, yeah. So you're almost done. So what I was talking is, in the advanced OBS studio, you can edit, trim, and even put animations, transitions, and many more stuff in the same platform only. You can see your option on the live chat towards the right side. I'll share the link of the Streamlabs OBS. Streamlabs OBS. You can download that as well, and I'll share a Google form as well if you guys want to have a session on advanced OBS, and there's like many functionalities to it. You can just fill up the form and let me know, and we'll decide upon a date. I'm sharing the link of Streamlabs. This is basically an advanced version of OBS again. It's in the chat. And yeah, towards the coming week, we have a few more workshops, two workshops, in that we'll be taking up Wondershare, Filmora, and another thing, Adobe Photoshop for video editing and photo editing separately. Um, Awa, can you share the form link so that you guys can take your 2 minutes and fill up this form and give feedbacks? And we'll catch up with you soon if you want an advanced OBS workshop. And thanks a lot, guys, for attending.